full water. Mm. This washing machine is have a little problem in problem issue in drain
What you additional wash today in the morning?
drain pump.
Then why you
Now I remove the water manually with bucket because this water pump is not coming working and not, water is not coming out. So I try to prepare. I will update to you, mga ka-kitchen technician. Now I remove the drain assembly and then I found this one. See, you see that one? Gas na.
keep that iron, not t-shirt, keeping that for them also finish.
I remove from here. Here. This one is connected from there to there. Like this. Like this. Should be connected. Then I remove it this winding from there. Then I found this scratch in stator. See? You see that one? I will try to put some oil and maybe it works. And now I try to reassemble again. I put this coil. I put also oil this what do you call this one? Bushing. I put oil. I reassemble again. Then I will try to fix the screw. I return back the screw. Now I bring some wire and plug. I need to direct this motor if working. I connect already the two wire and I plug it to the socket outlet power. Then let me see if running. Okay. Now I just on the switch. Now the motor is running. Should be like this. Okay. So now it work. You see the rotation. Now I finished to install. I put it back there and I try to start and now it's running. Now the machine is running. I need to observe this one maybe 1 to 2 hours. If maybe this drain motor is stuck and stuck again, this need to change new one. I need to order. I tell to my supervisor and need to order these parts. This now machine is okay. I want to test 1 to 2 hours if coming, if they drain the water from going out. If this continuously running like this, the machine is okay, it's working. but I need to make sure that the motor drain pump is always running, but I need to make sure because I don't want to come back again to repair because it's wasting time. I have a lot of complaint also, so that now it's okay. Now okay, machine is working fine now, but I also take the picture, model number, and then the part number. I need to order the parts because if happen again, I need to change easily. So mga ngayon, kung bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, Kakitchen Technician, please click the notification bell and pindutin nyo na rin yung bell button at subscribe na rin po kayo, and also thank you for watching this video. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you mga kabayan.